Your priorities are all wrong, totally wrong. The problem is you constantly think about your stuttering. You constantly hate it. You constantly obsess over it. When will I achieve fluency? Well, when will my stuttering go away? And by doing this, by constantly thinking, hating, and obsessing over it, you actually feed it. You yourself, you might not realize it, as most of you, but you actually feed it. You propel your own stuttering, your own struggle. You got all your priorities wrong. From now on, I would like you to stop obsessing over your fluency, over your stuttering. I advise you to stop hating and shift your attention onto harmony, onto restoring peace within yourself and your inner harmony. In my previous videos, I have already mentioned that fluency is not the result of any magic technique or set of exercises or magic pills or whatever. Fluency is the result of inner harmony, of being at peace with yourself. Once this harmony, this peace are restored, fluency will come naturally, without effort, without needing to struggle, without needing to force yourself into doing something you don't want to do. This bizarre speaking techniques and things like that. It will follow naturally as a God-given gift of speech. That's what it is. You don't need to earn it. Can you understand that? Speech fluency, it's something you don't actually need to earn. You don't need to work hard to get it. All you need is to understand the algorithm of stuttering and then restore your inner harmony. And once harmony is restored, natural spontaneity, naturalness will follow without any struggle. So from now on, I urge you to stop obsessing over your speech, to stop hating it, to stop hating yourself because you stutter, because you block. Because the more you think about it, the more you hate something, the more of it you're going to have in your life. For instance, let's say this actually applies to all things in life, not just stuttering. For instance, you hate being stuck in traffic and you're constantly stuck in traffic, right? You hate being told what to do and you're constantly told what to do. You see, this is how it happens. I just want you to realize it, because in stuttering, whilst you on the journey to freedom, there are many things that people who stutter just don't realize. They do them unconsciously because this is kind of a habit. And they just repeatedly do those things and they get exactly the same results. I think it's time for you to start doing something differently in your life. Because if you do what you've always done, you will always get what you've always got. So from now on, I urge you to change. Shift your attention now onto restoring harmony, onto being more accepting to yourself and more kind to yourself, just being at peace. This is one of the most critical steps if you really intend to beat stuttering. I wish you all the best, and I shall speak to you soon.